Swingline Heavy Duty 300 Sheet 3-Hole Punch. This is an extra heavy duty punch for extra heavy duty jobs. Ideal for medical, record retention offices, mail, and copy rooms. This extra high capacity 3-hole punch can cut through up to 300 sheets and always produces clean holes. The built-in guide and two-step process aligns the paperwork perfectly, and the wide handle aids you in punching as many as 300 sheets in 2 quick steps. And the instructions are on the base for quick reference. Begin by loading and locking the paper in place. Punch the first 150 sheets. And when you're ready for the next 150, simply raise the handle until it clicks into place. Then punch through the next 150 pages. The sharp and replaceable fixed punch heads cut holes 9/32 of an inch. Cleaning up after a large project is also easy with the Swingline Heavy Duty 300. The removable chip tray on the back of the punch catches the chips, keeping your workspace neat. When you're finished, the handle compresses down in the closed position for compact storage. This 3-hole punch has a 180-day warranty. However, replacement punch kits are sold separately and can help your punch last a lifetime. For those large office projects, purchase the Swingline Heavy Duty 300 Sheet 3-hole punch today.